And these patients lived, the bone healed, the surgery worked. This is not theory. This is evidence preserved in the bodies themselves. If the Edwin Smith Papyrus is the world's first surgery manual, then the Ebers Papyrus is the world's first medical encyclopedia, written approximately the same era, around 1550 BCE, but compiling knowledge from centuries and possibly millennia before. The Ebers Papyrus is the longest and most comprehensive medical document from the ancient world. At 20 meters long and containing 877 prescriptions and remedies across 108 columns of text. The Ebers Papyrus covers an extraordinary range of medical knowledge. The papyrus covers diseases of the stomach and intestines, diseases of the skin, eye diseases, conditions affecting the heart and blood vessels, gynecological conditions, contraception, mental illness, and dentistry. It contains the world's earliest description of diabetes, accurately describing excessive urination and thirst as symptoms. It contains a remarkably accurate description of the cardiovascular system, with the heart identified as the center of the body's blood supply. Perhaps the most extraordinary passage in the Ebers Papyrus is its description of the cardiovascular system. Let us pause and truly absorb what this says. The text states that the heart speaks out of every limb. It goes on to describe a system of vessels called met in Egyptian that carries blood, air, water, and other substances through the body. It identifies the heart as the central organ from which these vessels originate. It notes that the pulse felt in the wrist, temples, and other locations is connected to the heart's activity. William Harvey, the English physician, is credited with discovering blood circulation in 1628 CE. But 3,000 years earlier, an Egyptian physician had already identified the heart as the circulatory center and the pulse as its expression. Harvey's discovery may more accurately be called a rediscovery of knowledge Africa had first. Let us talk about teeth, because if you thought dentistry was a modern invention, prepare to be surprised. The ancient Egyptians had dentists, not witch doctors pulling teeth with pliers. Real trained dental practitioners who treated tooth decay, gum disease, dental abscesses, and tooth loss with sophisticated techniques.